clear. On behalf of this entire flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Burbank. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, seat backs, tray tables in the full upright and lock position. Make sure all your carry-on items are still stowed underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around you clear. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, use caution when you open the overhead bins. Items up there move around during the flight and could fall out. Connecting here to another Southwest flight, just check the departure monitor in the terminal for your flight gate number. We sure have enjoyed sharing part of our day with you. We know you have many choices when you fly, and we thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest. Go out, enjoy the day, enjoy the holiday, come back and see us real soon. Welcome to Burbank. Also here in Burbank, we do plane from front and back. It is an air ramp in the front, it's air stairs in the back. Give Maurice just a few minutes to get the door open, and he'll let you know when you can go down the back stairs. If you've ordered a wheelchair, have baby strollers, need assistance down the jet bridge, you'll want to come to the front and go down the air stairs. Disarm doors and